Alright, what's up guys? So the video you're about to see, I forgot to do an intro to, so this is the intro. It's just me and Johnny G riding, and I'm talking about stuff I'm gonna do with this bike, stuff I've done to this bike, and stuff I'm gonna do to this bike. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Is there any of you watching that have a Street Glide? And if so, what all upgrades have you done on your Street Glide? Johnny G trying to take off from me, man. Yeah, what do you guys who do have a Street Glide, what all have you done to yours? This is an 18. I've put the bars, exhaust, and headlight, LED Daymaker headlight. Like, I'm thinking about, let's see, I'm thinking about getting a Daddy Long Leg LaPera seat. I've looked one up. It's a pretty expensive seat. It's like almost $500 from what I found. But it sits you down into the bike more and back a couple inches. So I'd be sitting a little lower in the bike and back, so I'd feel more like forward controls on this thing. And I love forward controls. Right now I'm not really sitting at forward controls. They still feel kind of like mid controls, but if I get that Daddy Long Leg seat on here, it's gonna put me back like 2 more inches, and so I'll feel more like forward control. And I'm not the tallest guy. I'm about 5'10", but this still isn't forward enough for me. The bars, these new bars help me feel more like I'm laid back into the bike more, because before I got these bars, the old bars were like right here, and then I really looked like I was riding a scooter, you know what I'm saying? Now that I'm up here to where I normally like to be, because my old bike had the same size bars on it, and I got used to it, and now I can't ride a bike comfortably without having at least 14-inch apes on it to put my arms shoulder height. I feel like it just makes it for that much more of a comfortable ride, and I don't know, I just think it's more comfortable. I think it'd be uncomfortable if I was if I got like, I could probably handle some 16s, but 18s, that's putting it up there a little too high for me. I'd probably never go over my shoulder, never go over shoulder height. What's up, man? Check out these homes downtown New Albany, Indiana. Big old Victorian homes. Like mansions. Old mansions. Look at that. That's the Culbertson Mansion. Look it up on Google. Culbertson Mansion, downtown New Albany. find a shadow in here with us. But yeah, guys, that's the video. School's letting out right now, so traffic's crazy. But yeah, I forgot to do an intro and an outro to that video, so sorry for that. This is the outro though. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, like always, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.